In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a basic filled map in Tableau. Tableau is a powerful tool for data visualization, and filled maps are a great way to display geographic data in a visually compelling and easy to understand manner. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll be able to create your own filled map that can pinpoint and visualize data by region. Start by opening your Tableau application. Once you have it running, navigate to your worksheet. This is where the magic happens. Before diving into the visualization, it's important to ensure that your data set includes at least one geographic field. This could be anything from a country or city to a specific region like a state. These geographic elements are crucial because they act as the anchor points on your filled map. Along with your geographic field, identify a measure you want to visualize, such as sales, profit, or quantity. The interplay between the geographic field and your chosen measure will define how your map is filled and colored. Locate your geographic dimension in the data pane. It usually has a small globe icon next to it. This icon helps you quickly spot fields that Tableau recognizes as geographic. Once you've found this dimension, double-click on it, most commonly a field like state. This action triggers Tableau to plot the geographic points onto your worksheet as a map. Next, direct your attention to the marks card on the side. Click on the Mark Type drop-down menu and select Map. This changes your visualization mode to a filled map, giving a more intuitive visual representation of data density across regions. To bring your map to life with color, you'll need to drag your measure, say sales, onto the color shelf on the marks card. This will color code your map based on the measure's values, creating a gradient effect that helps highlight variations and trends spatially. Customization is key. You can modify your map further by adding more dimensions or adjusting the color scheme to better fit your presentation or analytical needs. For even more context, you can drag the geographic field to the label shelf. This step will add labels to your map, enhancing readability and providing immediate insights into different regions. Finally, take a moment to explore your map. This is a great opportunity to adjust, zoom, and fine-tune as needed. Dive into different customization options to enhance your visualization. You might want to experiment with adding filters or tweaking labels to focus on particular areas of interest. And there you have it. You've successfully created a basic filled map in Tableau. This simple yet powerful visualization now allows you to present your geographical data in a meaningful and impactful way. Feel free to experiment with more features and functions within Tableau to make your map even more insightful. Happy mapping!